Good evening, dear friends. How are you? So, yesterday I was talking about using outer objects like car, house, or some position in the office as a stimulus to create positive thoughts, feeling good, and taking this feeling as happiness, which is actually illusion. So, my dear friends, now what is the problem with this kind of belief system? The first and main foremost problem is that when we use these things as stimulus for creating good thoughts and so-called happiness, these things are temporary in nature. These stimulus are temporary because of their non-permanent nature. These things change with time. As a result, our happiness, which is actually not happiness, we perceive it to be happiness, becomes temporary, short lasting. As soon as we reach some destination, it gives good feeling for some time. Then again, with time, this feelings starts going down and we start looking for some other stimulus. So continuously in the search of long term and permanent and unlimited happiness, which doesn't come with all these while we attach with these things. So what is the second problem? When we go for achievements, we have to put effort and travel a journey to achieve these achievements. Now when we associate our happiness with these achievements, problem is that during our journey to acquire these achievements, we are always in fear, because our happiness is dependent upon our achievements, and if we are in the fear that if these are not achieved, what will happen to my happiness? And you all will agree that most of our time is spent on journey. We spend only a very small time on the destination. So most of our life we are in fear. And even if we are able to achieve our destination, by that time we are so exhausted from our journey that we are not able to enjoy it fully. So my dear friends, when we make our happiness based on these objects, achievements, position, penny, power, problem is that these things are temporary. So we get very short lasting happiness, and that too limited in nature. So my dear friends, do you resonate with this? I am eagerly waiting for your comments. So $1,000,000 question is, then how to find unlimited and permanent happiness? Tomorrow we will be going deep into this. Till then, take care. Bye bye.